Hey everyone, ever feel like your Android TV, Firestick or TV box just doesn't have the apps you really want? Like you are stuck with outdated or boring apps while everyone else is using awesome third party ones? Well, you are not alone, and I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install third party apps on any Android TV, Firestick or Android TV box using a simple trick and one free tool. By the end of this video, you will know how to access apps that aren't available on the official Google Play Store or Amazon App Store using secret codes and direct URLs. These are the same apps people use for streaming, customization, and more. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel Electronic Secret, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. First, on your Android TV, go to the Google Play Store. Search for an app called Downloader. Usually when you just type D and O, it will show up in the suggestions. Tap it and install it. After installing, don't open it just yet. We need to enable permissions first. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Security and Restrictions, then Unknown Sources. Find the Downloader app in the list and toggle it on. This step is crucial. Without it, you won't be able to install third-party apps. Now go back to home screen and launch Downloader. On first launch, it will ask for some permissions. Tap OK. You will see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. You can now enter a URL or a code for any third-party app you want. I will drop some of the most popular downloader codes in the video description. Don't miss those. Let me show you real quick. I am entering a URL right now. Downloader connects to the site, downloads the APK, and boom, just tap install. That's it. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with anyone who needs to unlock their TV's full potential. See you in the next one.